Stop paying for expensive landing page software and start using the platform you're already familiar with, Medium.com. Today, we're diving deep into how you can transform your Medium articles into powerful landing pages that drive conversions, capture leads, and achieve your business goals, all without a hefty price tag. Step 1. Craft a compelling narrative your Medium article needs to grab attention. Immediately think about your target audience's pain points and desires. Use a powerful headline and a captivating subtitle that promises a solution or valuable insight. Start your article with an engaging hook question, a surprising statistic, or a relatable story to keep readers invested. Step 2. Deliver value and build authority. The core of your article should provide immense value. Share your expertise, offer actionable advice, and demonstrate your understanding of the topic. Use clear headings and subheadings to break up the text, and make it scannable. Incorporate relevant images or graphics to enhance engagement and illustrate your points. Step 3. Integrate a clear call to action. This is crucial for conversion throughout your article, and especially towards the end. Strategically place your calls to action. Think about what you want the reader to do. Download a guide, sign up for a newsletter, visit a product page, or register for a webinar. Make your call to action visually distinct, perhaps using bold text or a simple link that clearly states the intended action, like download your free ebook or learn more now. Step 4. Guide readers towards specific goals. Don't be afraid to have multiple, well-defined calls to action if they align with different stages of the reader's journey. For example, you might offer a free resource for initial interest and a link to a paid service for those ready to commit. Ensure these links are prominent and lead directly to the intended destination, creating a seamless user experience. Finally, Step 5. Optimize for discoverability. Use relevant tags on your Medium article to increase its visibility in search results. Consider promoting your Medium article on social media and through your email list. The better discoverable your article is, the more potential leads will find their way to your effective landing page. By following these steps, you can leverage the power of Medium.com to create high-converting landing pages that elevate your marketing efforts and drive real results. Happy publishing!